Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase iPhone alarm sound easily. Now, for us to get this done, let's head over to our clock right here. And the first thing that we are going to see is open this one. And then you have to ensure that the sound here is set for something. You can click that one and then choose any ringtones available right here. What could have happened is that you might have chosen none, just like so. And as you can see, if this is going to alarm, it's not going to put up any sound. So I can go ahead and choose any of the available right here. And once it's done, go ahead and click the check button right here. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is head over to our settings and we're going to look for sounds and haptics. In the sounds and haptics, you want to make sure that the ringtone and alerts volume right here is set up to substantially high or to the highest value that you want. Now, take note that this is not going to change depending on the volume that you have here. So if, say, for example, you are looking at movies and then it's set to around this much, what is going to happen is that they're going to be different. Now that we have already verified that that is already here, it has a good amount of volume in it. I want you to go ahead and look for a volume limit. Click this one right here and ensure that this is turned off. Sometimes this is usually turned on, and as you can see, it has only a maximum limit of 60%. So even if you're going to increase that too much, what's going to happen is it's only going to put out 60%, or depending on what you have set right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and disable it. Now we're going to go back here and we're going to head over to Face ID and passcode. Now I want you to go ahead and enter your passcode right here. And once you're in, I want you to look for something called aware feature or attention aware features. So what is going to happen is that it's going to check for attention before dimming display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts. So some alerts could include your alarm. So make sure that this is disabled, just like what I have right here. So yeah, that's how easy it is to increase your iPhone alarm sounds.